Don't huff paint, you gotta ventilate. It'll make you die and then your mom will cry, 'cause so excited. I just heard from my bro. He's got this dude buddy. He's gonna hook me up with some CGI lizards. So if you see me going, oh, that's because I seen a lizard and it's coming in later. I'll edit this part out when I get lizards. But so it's gonna be I'm talking about elements. I'm talking about elements and principles of this painting that I think make it interesting or possibly effective or whatever. The first I would have to talk about would be atmospheric perspective, which is interesting because this isn't a long distance landscape, you know, where atmospheric perspective is usually used, where the colors as the grass and trees recede get lighter and cooler in color, or bluer in color, and lighter, and even the sky gets, it becomes just almost the same value or darkness. And that's capturing atmospheric perspective in painting. But this, I'm using it also here to bring things forward and make things recede. Like where it's ultra crisp and very detailed, that will come into the foreground. It'll make you, you know, things are closer, they're sharper. And so when lines are crisp and hard, they will appear to be in the foreground. Whereas these areas are blurred out, kind of, making them look like they're back in the background. Oh! But this is a messed up painting because this is high definition, like in focus. Then this kind of isn't. And this is. Actually, I changed that and fixed it. It is more in focus now. Oh.